Have you ever wanted to create professional-looking videos but felt it takes too much time or effort? Don't worry, we are here to help you. Welcome to our channel. Video editing is a fun nowadays due to AI. With Pictory, you can create stunning videos in just minutes, even if you've never edited before. So, how does it work? Pictory is an AI-powered video creation tool that turns text into videos instantly. You don't need to worry about complicated timelines or editing software. Just upload your script or paste your text, and the AI does the rest. Let's start with the basics. If you have a blog post, article, or even notes, Pictory can automatically transform them into videos. It selects relevant visuals, adds captions, and even includes background music. That means you can repurpose written content into video content without lifting a finger. Customization is just as simple. Want to change visuals? You can pick from millions of stock videos and images. Need a voiceover? Choose from AI-generated voices or record your own. Prefer branded content? Add your logo, colors, and fonts to make the video uniquely yours. One of the best features is captions. Pictory automatically generates subtitles for your videos, which is a huge advantage. This not only makes your content more professional but also more accessible. And here's the game changer: speed. Traditional editing can take hours, sometimes days. With Pictory, you can create a polished video in under 10 minutes. That's perfect for marketers, content creators, educators, who needs to publish videos consistently. Finally, Pictory makes it easy to share. You can download your video in different formats or publish directly to platforms like YouTube and social media. So, if you want stunning, professional quality videos without wasting time, Pictory is the tool you need. Fast, simple, and effective, it's video creation made effortless. Want to master AI video creation? Enroll now in Transform Academy's Pictory course on our website by clicking the link in the description box below. Like, share and subscribe for more valuable tips.